our demos are all for the Eagle Corporation. And the Eagle Corporation, our flagship product is the Eagle 9000. And it's a fantastic product that's in market. But like all good products, there's things we can do to improve it. And so we'll see how Kevin, who represents more of the design side of the house, and Jill, who represents more of the revenue side of the house, how they can partner together to drive new products forward. So with that, guys, over to you.
All right. Thanks very much, everybody. Ross, great introduction. You know, I heard some things with this presentation around the importance of speed and agility, right? What does it really take to get your products to market? But I also heard the concept of unpredictability. You know, anything can happen. We've seen a lot of things going on around us that we cannot control, and things that we need to control in our own organizations. And what we're going to show you today are just some concepts as to how to manage some of that better with Propel. So what you're looking at here is a product management dashboard. I'm a product manager, and this is the place that I come to understand what's really going on with my product. One of the things that I like to look at are what are my sales potential here? And over on the right, what you can see is I've got a couple of products that have some growing revenue potential over the next 12 months, which is great news. But over on the left, even the top selling product there is having some real quality issues. These are some cases that are happening out in the field service team that I need to get my arms around because it's reducing our overall margins. So I want to start to take a look at some of those things. Fortunately, our quality team is already using Propel, and they've captured over 300 call center cases here. And it would probably take me a couple of days to read through all these things and start to make sense of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leverage Propel One and ask a simple question. Just summarize these 300 cases for me and make some recommendations in terms of what my next product generation should look like. And it actually comes back and it tells me that I've got some issues around the testing accuracy, how it tends to degrade over time. And I think we can fix this problem with just some changes to our design and our electronics. So as a product manager, one of the first things I'm going to do is I'm going to engage the engineering team and get them started on a redesign effort. Now I'm going to change gears, and I'm actually going to move into this area where I get a notification, right? And Propel's notification center that you're going to see coming out allows me to get these notifications in places that I'm working in every day. In this case, it's Slack. It allows me to then go in and navigate directly to my existing product, which is the Eagle 9000. Now, the Eagle 9000 is the starting point for my next generation. And already today with Propel, I've got really good tools to be able to go in here and make a copy of this and start to move things around and make changes. But we think there's even a better way to do that. And what we're introducing now is this concept of BOM cloning, deep BOM cloning. So I can come in and take a bill of material, and before I even have to put any effort into changing that assembly, I can do some adds, updates, and deletes on that, and very quickly reconfigure a new design, which is now the starting point of my Eagle 9100. So it's now created this for me in the background, gives me my Eagle 9100, and here's my starting point. And again, as the engineer, now what I want to do is I want to start to pass some of this information early on down to my commercialization team so that they can get started with their job. Some of the key attributes and technical characteristics, I want to make sure that we're going to be marketing those, appropriately to the right people. And that's where this connection comes in. So what we're going to do next is I'm going to pass this over to Jill, and we're going to take a look at what that team would actually do as a next step.
Thanks. So as a marketer, I'm coming into Propel, and I've received a notification about our new E9100. And by collaborating directly here in Propel, I have all of the information that I need to do my job quickly without passing spreadsheets back and forth. I mean, I really love working with my engineering team, but I don't want to spend hours sitting in handoff meetings with them. So coming into Propel, all I have to do is go to my E9100. Here, I'm going to have my engineering specs already filled in for me. These are coming directly from the engineering team. And this is information we'll share with our customers. So it's good to know that it is accurate and up to date at all times, even if the product changes. All I need to do now is add in some marketing content with my features and benefits, and then add in some digital assets like images and our videos that'll be used for our sales team. So in addition to selling the new E9100, we're also going to have our field service team go out to our customer sites and swap out that circuit board that was causing some problems. So to do that, I need to get them trained up on the new assembly and the work instructions. I'm going to have Propel One help me with that. Our Agent Force AI is going to read through all of that product documentation. They're going to provide back to me some recommendations on quiz questions. And I've selected the ones that are most appropriate for the quiz for the field service team. And Propel's gone ahead and created that quiz for me. So now we're coming into Propel as our field service agent. We've already gone ahead and trained up on the quiz, and we're out at the customer site. Here, I pull up Propel Product Spotlight. This is a curated view of our complete product thread, all here in one page. So this is information that is coming from both my engineering team. It's specific to the revision that's installed at this customer site and to this serialized asset. And I also have information from my commercial team about my replacement parts and all of my consumables. So while I'm here at the site, I can go ahead and make sure that they're filled up on all of the consumables, and it gives us a little extra revenue coming from my field service call. So with Propel, we've used the unified intelligent product thread. We built it up as our foundation in PVM. We layered in AI to our workflows and then extended all of that product knowledge out to our sales and service teams. So for Eagle Corp, now we have the speed and agility that we need to work in the marketplace today. And even when the unpredictable happens, we're ready to go.